Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Tesla Model 3 versus Model Y performance. We'll dive into their exhilarating acceleration, top speeds, and crucial range figures. We'll also explore the practical aspects like cargo space and seating, helping you decide which high-performance Tesla best fits your lifestyle. Get ready for a detailed breakdown. When it comes to raw power, both the Model 3 and Model Y performance models are incredibly quick. They both rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.1 seconds. The Model 3 performance edges out the Model Y slightly with a top speed of 162 miles per hour, compared to the Model Y's 155 miles per hour.
If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Quick recommendation. For making your life a little easier, these leak-proof meal prep containers are fantastic for keeping your food fresh. They're super handy for busy schedules. You can find the link for these, along with other great deals, in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. You should consider, after performing the soft reset, your infotainment system will reboot, and you'll see the Mazda logo appear on the screen. The good news is that this type of reset typically does not erase your personal settings or require you to repair your Bluetooth devices. Your system should now operate more smoothly, with improved responsiveness and fewer glitches. If issues persist, a software update or factory reset might be needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.